This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get square grid in Instagram step by step. Start by planning your layout and choosing images that work together. Next, decide whether you want borders, tight crops, or a split puzzle look so each row aligns. I will guide you through resizing, cropping, and uploading while keeping a consistent grid. Follow along and pause when you need to match your own photos and rhythm. Start by cropping every image into a square to maintain uniform tiles across your grid. Use consistent filters or color grading so adjacent squares blend and the overall page looks intentional. If you plan a split puzzle, export one large image and use a grid tool to slice it into equal squares in the right order. Save each file with a clear name to avoid uploading mistakes later on. When uploading, choose each square in the exact order that matches your planned layout to keep rows and columns correct. Make only small crop adjustments inside Instagram to avoid shifting your carefully arranged grid. After posting each image, quickly check your profile view to ensure the squares align and colors flow as intended. If something looks off, delete and reupload immediately to maintain a polished, consistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.